The side panels are still secured with a screw and a plastic clip. Remove them and the side panel will be free. The top is riveted to the frame under the retainer. Drill out the rivets to loosen the top. Put the top on a work table and drill out the rivets holding the rain rail to the top. Apply contact cement to the front bow corners. When the cement is ready, glue the front corners to the front bow. Finally, replace the seat belt on the seat, raise and latch the top. Latching the top for the first time may take 2 people, and that's very common. Do not unlatch the top for 2 weeks and it will work normally thereafter. Alrighty then, you've installed a convertible top on your Honda. If you followed the instructions carefully and you were patient as you went through the process, your top should look something like this. The tool list for this job is pretty simple, and most of them will be found in the average toolbox, with the possible exception of the angle screwdriver. I couldn't find any way around it, so I bit the bullet and I bought one at Lowe's. I think I paid around $15 for it. Always remember, when you're using tools, follow the directions and the instructions for safety that are put out by the manufacturer.